Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro 27001.6 CDTIS, S ecoFLEX L1H1 ULEZ Euro 6 head gasket. Wow. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 95,210. MOT, 1 March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.690 PSS, SE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. This still starts and drives brilliantly. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric